Developing now, what may be a win for asylum seekers after a major ruling from the U.S. Supreme Court today on a Trump-era immigration policy. The policy known as Remain in Mexico forced thousands of asylum seekers to wait south of the border while their claims were processed.
But will this decision open the floodgates for more illegal migration? Local 10's Glenna Milberg is live with more. Glenna.
Nicole, Calvin, this is actually one of the offices in South Florida where asylum seekers paroled in South Florida come to check in, but countless asylum seekers are kept in Mexico right now. Well, today the Supreme Court, a conservative Supreme Court, gave President Biden the option to change that. The Supreme Court gives the president the right to decide where countless people will wait as they make claims for U.S. asylum. Response from South Florida's conservative lawmakers?
I think the court got it right. I don't agree that what President Biden's going to do with it.
Terminating the migrant protection protocol, so-called stay in Mexico policy, would be irresponsible and dangerous, tweets Congressman Mario Diaz-Balart. The assumption that President Biden will end the policy President Trump put in place, as he tried to do last year before Texas filed suit. The policy remained in effect while it went up the court chain. Migrants remained in difficult conditions south of the border as their cases took years to process.
What Biden does now, he allows them into the United States, knowing full well that 90% of them, once they go to court, their asylum hearing will be denied, but then they can't find them anymore because they disappear.
President Biden's biggest Florida critics frame border issues in terms of crime and cartels.
If Biden revokes the Remain in Mexico policy, you're going to see the worst border crisis in history get even worse.
The policy addresses asylum seekers filing legal immigration claims, and while justices sided with the Biden administration, the ruling is less a win than a remand to the lower Texas court that kept stay in Mexico in place to begin with. AKA, it isn't over yet, but this opinion does seem to give President Biden the ability to end the so-called stay in Mexico policy, at least while the legal fight continues. I'm Glenna Milberg, live in Miami tonight, Local 10 News.